Hello children, welcome back to the session. Today we are going to see Lesson 3 Understanding Windows 7 in Computer Science. Dear children, before getting to the lesson, let's recall the previous lesson. That is very helpful to learn this lesson. Okay, come let's see. What is software? A software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular task. Example, Notepad, MS Paint, MS Office, Windows 7. These are the examples of software. There are the two types of software, system software and application software. System software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. So the system software is like a manager of a computer system. Operating system is an example of system software. This software helps the computer to function properly. Without system software, we cannot start and shut down a computer. Examples of operating system software are Windows 7, Windows XP, and Unix. Dear children, in this lesson, we are going to briefly discuss about Windows 7 operating system. Okay, come let's see the textbook. What is operating system? A set of programs that controls and manage all the tasks in a computer is called an operating system. Next one, the primary features of Windows 7 are primary features, which means main points of Windows 7. Okay, the first point, the primary access point for programs is provided by Start menu. Okay, the Start menu acts as the main root for programs. Second point, it contains snipping tool, an application to capture images. The snipping tool is used to take pictures from any one application. Then third point, it comes with enable search tool. You can search for files and other content using the built-in search tool that is appears on the taskbar. Next point, it allows many users to work on the numerous programs at the same time. Numerous which means many programs at the same time. Next point, it is user friendly. That means it is not difficult to learn or understand. That is easy to use. Dear children, do you know who is this? Yes, this is William Henry Bill Gates. Is the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation and inventor of Windows operating system. Okay, children, now let's see the next reading. Desktop and icons. When we switch on a computer system, the Windows 7 gets loaded. The very first screen that appears on the system is called desktop. Children, a screen similar to one you see on the screen will appear on your computer. Next, the small object that labels on the desktop are called icons. Children, you can see in this picture one red color arrow pointed on small picture that is called icons. When any of the icons are clicked, a specific program opens. Okay, children, now let's see the parts of Windows 7 desktop. Common icons on desktop. A long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. To the left of the taskbar, we can find the Start button and other opened applications. To the right of the taskbar, we can find the system date and time along with the Show Desktop button. On clicking the computer icon from the desktop, all the files present in the computer will be displayed. Shortcuts of few programs will also appear on the desktop. Okay, now let's see one more interesting fact about icons. A shortcut programs comes with an arrow on the icon. On double clicking, the program opens directly. Okay children, now let's see the next heading. Arranging and sorting icons on desktop. In order to arrange and sort the icons, we need to select the icons. If you want to select any icon, just click on it and it will be highlighted. Okay, now I am going to select one icon. Just I am click on it. You can see the icon will be highlighted. Okay, suppose you want to deselect an icon, click away from that icon. You can see the icon will be deselected. Okay, now let's see the steps to arrange the desktop icons. See here, the icons are placed here and there. So now I am going to sort that icons. Okay, perform the right click on the desktop screen. You can see a small menu with a list of options will appear. Select view option and click auto arrange icons option from the submenu. Now you can see the changes. Okay, now let's see the next steps to sort the icons desktop. Perform the right click on the desktop screen. A small menu with a list of options will appear. Select the sort by option and click the name option from the submenu. Now you can see the changes. The icons will be rearranged in the alphabetical order. See? Okay children, now let's see the next heading. Changing the desktop background. The appearance of the desktop background can be changed according to our wish. Okay, now let's see the steps to change the desktop background. Okay, first perform the right click on the blank area of the desktop. Then you can see a small menu with a list of options will appear. Then select the personalize option. The personalized windows appears. Click the desktop background and choose the desired desktop background. A window with multiple images appear. Select either one picture of the desktop background. Suppose you have to create a slideshow on a background. You have to choose more than one pictures on the background pictures. The selected background will appear on the monitor as the preview. Now I am going to choose this picture. You can see the preview. Okay. After selecting the background, close the window. Now you can see the desktop background will be changed. See the next heading, setting screensaver. The screen displays an image when the computer is kept idle for a period of time. This is called screensaver. Okay, now let's see the steps to set the screensaver. First, perform the right click on the blank area of the desktop. Now you can see a small menu with a list of options appear. Okay, then select the personalized option. Now you can see the personalized windows appear. Okay. Now I am going to select the screensaver. Okay, now you can see the screensaver settings windows appear. Select the screensaver as desired. Okay, now I am going to select the ribbons option and then click the preview button. You can see the preview. A preview of the selected screensaver appears. Select the time in wait box. This is the wait box. I am going to select the time is 1 minute and then click apply and then click OK button. Then close the window. Wait for a few minutes. Don't know anything. Dear children, in screensaver, selected 1 minute and asked to wait for few minutes. If you selected 1 minute, then screensaver will display after idle time of 1 minute as like the screen. Okay, children, now let's see how to shut down the computer. Okay, now let's see the steps to turn off or shut down the computer. First, click the start button, then select the shutdown button. The system will shut down after a few seconds. Okay, children, now let's revise whatever we have learned from this lesson. A set of programs that controls and manage all the tasks in a computer is called an operating system. The very first screen that appears on the system is called the desktop. The small object with labels on the desktop are called icons. A long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. The screen displays an image when the computer is kept idle for a period of time. This is called a screensaver. Dear children, hope you have understood today's concept. Thank you.